Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best charcoal for smoking that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Cowboy Easy Light Natural Hardwood Lump Barbecued Charcoal Briquettes. Coming in hot as one of the best value for money lump charcoals is this, the Cowboy All Natural Hardwood Lump Charcoal. Made from a simple and effective blend of oak, hickory and maple, you get the best of both worlds with a slow and steady heat plus a deeper, richer flavor that gives off that typical southern-style barbecue flavor. We find Cowboy Lump easy to light and it doesn't produce a lot of ash even over really long smokes. The dust level in a bag of this stuff is usually pretty average for us. Of course some damage will happen during shipping, but we really trust Cowboy to deliver the good stuff. Moving on at number 4, we have the Rockwood Natural Hardwood Lump Charcoal. Not a single tree is cut down to make a bag of Rockwood All Natural Lump Charcoal. Instead, a mix of oak, hickory, maple and pecan is collected from timber milling leftovers to create this slow-burning, low-ash lump charcoal. But this stuff performs really great as well. The flavor is one of the strongest recommended here. We love it for brisket and lamb, but it can be used for a stronger smoke profile on anything including pork, chicken, and fish too. Compared to some of the other lump charcoals, we do find there's a bit more wastage with small pieces and dust. But, with a clean burn and steady low and slow temperature, we still love and use Rockwood's lump. At number 3, we have the Fogo Super Premium Hardwood Lump Charcoal. If you're like us and enjoy keeping it simple, Fogo's Super Premium Oak Lump Charcoal lets you do just that. It's specifically designed for low and slow smoking in ceramic Kamados like the Big Green, Egg, Kamado Joe, and Primo. But, we've used it in a number of other charcoal smokers too and love it. In our experience, it's one of the longest lasting options out there. It's easy to light and the mild flavor can literally be paired with absolutely anything you're smoking. There's no thick plumes of smoke. Once it's going, our Fogo produces some of the cleanest smoke. There's almost no color coming from the smoke itself. But, you're left with a really great smoke ring with a nice deep color. The only thing we don't like about Fogo is that we have had a fair amount of broken pieces and charcoal dust at the bottom of the bag. Use some smaller pieces as an easy way to light it with larger chunks to extend out that cook time. At number 2, we have the Jealous Devil Max XL All Natural Hardwood Charcoal Pillow Briquettes. While lump charcoal is probably the more favored charcoal type at the moment, for anyone who appreciates the regularity of charcoal briquettes, Jealous Devil also make an excellent, additive-free briquette that's one of our favorites anytime we're looking for a more regular burn. Made from the same Quebracho Blanco wood as their lump charcoal, they burn so well choked down to a low and slow temperature for really steady smoke. The XL size is bigger than anything else on the market, which means less frequent refilling on those longer smokes. As you might know, because briquettes are made from charcoal dust, they need an additive to help bind them. But, Jealous Devil have kept it natural by just adding a small amount of vegetable starch which doesn't impact the flavor, keeps ash to a minimum, and doesn't pop or spark while you're lighting it. Packaged in a waterproof, resealable, UV-resistant bag, you can safely store the Jealous Devil briquettes for as long as you want in the bag they come in. And finally at number 1, we have the Jealous Devil All Natural Hardwood Lump Charcoal. When it comes to high quality, we simply love Jealous Devil. And, this is their best-selling, top-rated all-natural hardwood lump charcoal. Made from Paraguayan Quebracho Blanco trees, this wood is denser than oak or hickory, giving it a burn time that's about 30% longer, ideal for smoking. But, it's also one of the lowest ash producers, which we particularly appreciate when smoking in a Kamado or other charcoal smoker that can get clogged up with too much of the gray stuff. While Quebracho Blanco trees are known for their ability to burn really hot, we find that this charcoal also chokes down nicely, giving off a steady temperature for hours without having to monitor it too closely or adjust those vents. In terms of flavor, we find the Jealous Devil Lump Charcoal to be quite a mild flavor. There's still enough smokiness to leave a noticeably charcoal smoked taste. But, it's not so strong that it's going to overpower your meat and what you want to do with your spices. Topping off its awesomeness, Jealous Devil Lump comes in a waterproof and UV-resistant, resealable bag, so it's 100% okay to store as is at home.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.